आरडीओ साहब और स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल और जितने भी स्टाफ स्टूडेंट सभी आए हुए टीचर्स और सबको मैं बहुत मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। पहली बार तो मैं हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर सीएम रेवंत रेड्डी साहब का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करूँगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने आपके लिए इतना अच्छा स्कूल फैसिलिटीज दी। और यहाँ पे ना उन्हें आरोग्य में ले, और ये सीएम साहब का बहुत पेट प्रोजेक्ट है, और ये ऐसे स्कूल तो ज़्यादा भी चलेंगे, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड है कि तेलंगाना पब्लिक स्कूल यहाँ पे के नाम से आप लोग को दिया गया, और इतनी अच्छी फैसिलिटीज मिली, इतना बड़ा आपका है, इतना बड़ा स्कूल है आपका यहाँ पे। और मैं हम लोग की भी आदत थी कि हम लोग बहुत बड़े स्कूल में पढ़े, बट लेकिन हमारा स्कूल बहुत छोटा था। जैसा मैडम ने कहा कि आप लोग को हम लोग छोटे छोटे स्कूल में काफी मेहनत किया और काफी मेहनत करके हम लोग ऊपर आए। पर लेकिन आपको जितने भी लोग, आई वांट टू टेल यू वन थिंग, आवर प्ले ग्राउंड वॉज ओनली दिस मच, वेयर यू पीपल आर सिटिंग, that was the only playground there. Now you have so much facility. You have the cricket balls, you have basketball court, you have volleyball court, all the football facilities are there. Plus you have very very good teachers to take care of you, to teach you. So please make sure that you have the best facility here in Arutla. I don't think there's any facility as good as Telangana Public School anywhere. So the CM Sir is going to have more schools like this. So I congratulate you all for having such good facilities here. And I think also the teachers, really work very hard for you. Because I want to tell you one thing, you have to work very hard. If you want to achieve anything, if you want to become like Kiran Madam, if you want to become like Principal Saab, want to become Principal or maybe more, better than anybody else, so you have to really work hard, because you have to have the passion. If you don't have passion, you cannot work hard, because you have given such good facilities here. So it's very easy for you to work hard. Just make use of the facilities. First of all, don't forget, you have to listen to the teachers, because the teachers are the most important people in your school, because they teach you very well. Because the teachers, all the students who are here, or maybe just to intermediate only, the teachers always want good of you. So they always teach you the best thing. Please listen to them, please hear them, and please respect everybody. You have to respect the principal, you have to respect your teacher, your staff, everybody. The moment you start respecting them, then you can learn a lot. Because the teachers only want your good. They want their students to become big people. Because like I was in the school, all my teachers were very proud, when they saw me, when I made my debut, when I played for India. Everybody was very proud. They all felt very happy. So even because of them only I came here. I could reach that, because they taught me good manners. They taught me how to take care of yourself. They taught me how to react to people, how to talk to people outside, and most importantly, how to respect your parents. Because parents are they are the pillar of strength. If you don't listen to the parents, if you don't respect the parents, then you can never succeed in life. Because even the Almighty God doesn't want you to succeed. He will not give you good things. Because if you don't respect your parents, you have to respect everybody. Because first of all, respect is most important. Then after that, everybody is given, all the students have some type of a skill in you. So you have to find out what skill you have. If you are good in cricket, give your best in cricket. Just go ahead there and play, practice, and don't get disappointed or don't get dejected if you are not selected. The same for any profession, like studying also. Sometimes you might not do well, sometimes you will do well. Don't feel dejected. You have to keep working hard. Whatever is gone by, you cannot recover the past. You have to always look ahead in life. In life, you are always going forward. If you go backward, you cannot go backward, because you can't see what's happening in back. Because in the front, you can always see what I have to achieve. There are so many things you can achieve. So I am very happy that I am able to come to this beautiful facility, Telangana Public School, one of its kind in Telangana and also in the whole country. I think the whole country will take a leaf out of this school, and I think the people who are involved, I want to congratulate them for giving us a good facility. I am very happy to be here. I will definitely want to interact with you. I want to wish you well. Please work hard, please, because from 1st to 10th class, whatever you learn, it is always going to stay with you for whole life. Because if you make friends in the school, they are your real friends, they are your best friends. Because from 1st to 10th, from small to big, when you grow up big, then they are with you. So they are a good friend because all my good friends are from the school. I don't have outside many friends. They are friends, but my best friends are from the school because they know you from the for 10 years. But for the new friends, they know you for if you are doing well, if you are successful, then only they know you. But the best thing is first to 10, whatever you learn, if you learn good thing, you will do good thing in life. If you learn wrong thing, you do wrong thing in life. Please do not go near drugs. I am telling you, this is the worst thing. No drugs, no alcohol, nothing. Because this is the time you want to achieve. This is time you are working hard. This is the time you really want to do well in your life and make your parents, make your state and make your country very proud of it. And especially wherever you are coming from. And the last thing I want to tell you is success is a very slow process. But the moment you start doing well, once success hits you, then it runs very fast. But then if it runs very fast, then it will bring you down very fast also. If you don't take care of yourself, always stay humble in life. Whatever you may become in life, whatever you may become President of India, or you become Prime Minister of India, always stay humble, always react with people, always meet people nicely because they are the one who really, help you become whatever you have become. And because their prayers only you have become. But lastly, most important thing, you have to respect your parents, you have to respect your teachers because the teachers work very hard, very diligently. And if you don't ask questions from the teachers, you cannot learn. If you are in doubt, if you feel that there is a problem, you can't do some solution, you can't do not good in mathematics, but go and ask. If you don't ask, you will never learn. Because this is my experience I'm saying, because I always used to ask. Even if I am doing well also, I always used to ask and say, whether I am going wrong or is there anything I can improve. Because they are always improving in life. So I wish everyone, the staff, student, the principal and everyone here, the very best. The students also, I am sure, inshallah one day there will be a time will come, there will be many players playing for the country, for girls and boys. Because girls work very hard. Sorry boys, but boys also work very hard, but girls work very hard. So respect your classmates, respect everybody, and then you will definitely succeed. I wish everyone here, the very best whoever is here on the stage, and the staff and students of the college, and especially the sarpanches and all the IDOs and everything who really work very hard. And your effort, ma'am, your effort also is very good. Please convey my best to Narayan Reddy. I was looking forward to seeing him, but anyways, he's not here. I am very happy to be here. I am very happy that I came here, and again I want to thank the Chief Minister Narayan Reddy for giving you such a good facility. I think he wants to do more because he is focused more on education. He wants all the people in Telangana to be successful, and then 199% literacy. I wish you the best. I am hoping that you really enjoy your school and make sure that you become very big people. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.